Narellan Town Centre has embarked upon a $150 million redevelopment to rival Western Sydney's biggest malls. This increases the retail space from 36,000 square metres to 72,000 square metres. MetecnoInspire architectural panels are currently being installed to this exciting shopping centre expansion. Let's have a look at how that's progressing. 95% of MetecnoInspire panels are fitted directly to the structural framing, but where trimming is required for openings and penetrations, preparation is undertaken on the ground. On this project, the construction manager decided to place panels onto the steel framing manually. Using forklifts to load the scissor lifts, the install crews apply sealant to the appropriate surfaces before placing and fastening each panel into position. When longer, heavier panels are to be installed, our construction managers may opt for vacuum lifting devices for panel placement. Here, we are seeing sealant being applied before angle trims are placed and fastened into position. Similarly, shadow trims are prepared and secured for vertical fit-off. Panning across the wall, we see it in a completed state on the right and still requiring moulds and trims on the left.